It's week 8 of the Christmas challenge, and this week we're going to be learning, yes, you guessed it, it's the theme tune from the film Elf. Welcome to Guitar with me, where I teach beginners how to play guitar the easy way. This is a happy festive film, full of Christmas cheer, and let's face it, who doesn't love a bit of Buddy the Elf? First of all, I'll play through the theme tune. This is just going to be on 2 strings, so it's going to be on string 1, which is the high E string, and string 2, which is the B. Now this one starts on the 2nd string, which is string B, and it's going to be on fret number 3. So 1, 2, 3. So I'll count out the fret numbers as I go, as per usual. So it starts on 3, and then you want to do 1 on the high E string, 3, 1, and then you want to slide up to number 5, back to number 3, and then number 3 on the B string again. So remove your first finger and go on to the 3rd fret. And then the next bit is going to be going on to number 5, to number 6, back to number 5, so, and then back to number 3 on the B string, and then back to number 3 on the high E. And then we're going to be going up to number 6, so 3, 6, 10, 8, 3, 6, 8, 6, 3, 5, 3, 1, 5, 3, 3, 5, and then you want to slide up to the number 10 on the high E string, 10, 10, 6, 8, 13, 13, 10, 6, 11, 5, 6. Now for this one you want to remember to keep your fingers nice and loose. You want to be playing nice and slow and really sort of feeling the notes as to where you're putting them on the fretboard. It's a quick, cheerful song. Everybody knows it. What's not to love? Practice challenge. Practice the theme tune from Elf 5 times a day. Keep your fingers nice and loose and play slow. This will help with timing and it will help keep your rhythm. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and please check the descriptions for my school community, which is a place you can join. I hope to see you there, and I'll see you next time.